Hi, grade 4. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will make a quick revise in your book Connect for your book Connect grade 4. But before I will go to make a revise today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, I will make a quick revise from this booklet. I leave this link or the link of this booklet below the video to download it and answer again. Here we have in Unit 7, we took this is where I live. So here I ask, we talk about place in this unit, talk about place like what? City, building, village, forest, desert, seas, river, mountain. In this unit, we learn this vocab. Let's go to another lesson here in this unit. In this unit also we know chorus, memory, digging, excited, quiet, trick. We have here some important sentence like grandpa lived in a village near close of Monin. The village was very quiet. He viewed a metal books when he was 8. It was the books of his memories. As we told you before that we must know the sentence. Why? Because we have here a paragraph, so we must know the sentence to help you to write a good paragraph. Okay, so must learn this sentence, and I hope to keep it to help you to write a good paragraph in the exam. Here we talk about also about the past simple tense, and we know the past simple tense is used to ask about action happened and ended in the past. And in this tense, we know that we have regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs which adding ed, and irregular verbs, the verb changes completely, like this one, like this one, like drink, drank, win, won, no, new, go, went, and so on. And I hope to study this vocab from your books. To have an extra books and textbooks. These verbs available in, you can search about it and you keep it, because in the exam we must keep this vocab. We must write it as it is. Okay, this called irregular verb must be kept. Okay, no way. Okay. Here we have, like this example, here we went on a trip last year. He took pictures yesterday. In this stance, when we make a question form or a negative form, we use did, and we return the verb to the steam, okay, or the infinitive form as it is. Okay. The keywords that are related to this tense, it will be last, in the past, yesterday, and ago. This is the keywords of this tense. And any year in the past, is related to this tense. When we say we are in what? We are in 2025. When we talk about 2024, it's past. Okay. In this unit also we learned some also vocab like short stories like whole, excited, pleased, delighted, moral. Okay. Here we have we know the stages of the story: beginning, middle, and end. And we know beginning means the beginning of the story. Like here we talk about the city mouse. The city mouse visited the country mouse. The two mice caught the train. This is the middle. The end, the country mouse went back to where life is good for him. The moral story, different people like different things. Okay, that we know it from this unit, this story. In this part also we know the plural and singular, and we have as we have irregular verbs. We have also irregular nouns in plural, like mouse, mice, mean, woman, women, foot, feet, child, children, toasties, and so on. Here we talk about ing form adjective and ied form adjective, and we know that ing form expressing the things and ed form expressing persons, as we know during the lesson. During this lesson also this unit also we learn some vocab like gate, bake, all of us know bake, modern, shopping mall, nervous, electricity, all this. Let's answer the general exercises related to this part. I will leave this because it's about listening, but I try to answer it as we understand. Space is very important for our lives. Without thinking, Nile, our clever people, it helps us drink and space food and grow food. Okay, grow here means to cultivate. Okay, cultivate food. Okay, cultivate, not sell, not buy, not visit. The Nile home of different kinds of birds, fish, and what here, and not lions, not parrots, not elephants, turtles. One of the planet's largest space is the planet's largest space in the Nile crocodile. Reptiles is the largest reptile, not birds, not fish, not mammals. Let's go to another question here. Here we say, I go to school every day. I space early. I would be here. I wake up early. I go by what? By bus here. I meet my what? Meet my friends. And we play, study. Our teachers are kind. They teach us math and English. Let's go to another picture here. Here we say, the city is very busy and what? Busy and, as we know, busy and noisy are clever pupils. Grandpa space his metal books ground. He built his metal books. Siwa is an amazing space in Egypt. It's amazing. We see not forest, not river, not lake. I live in a small village, not a forest, not mountain, not city. In the city, the space from cars causes breathing pollution. In the city, the breathing problems. Breathing means breathing from our nose. What is smoke? The smoke from cars causes breathing problems. Let's go to another question here. Here is a text and question related to code comprehension. I would like to say something about this question, grade 4. You must read the text carefully. Why? Because we have something behind the meaning. You must know how to answer. Okay, so must read it carefully to answer. Some of you saying it's easy. Yes, it's easy, but not direct. Okay, can easy, but we must. I read it more than one time to understand what the question want from me. Okay, what the question want to answer. Okay, how to answer it. Okay, last summer I visited my grandparents who lived in a small village. It was a very quiet place. The air wasn't polluted. There were a lot of plants and green areas. Unlike my city, the life is not the city. The life is busy in it. In the city, smoke covers the sky. There are a lot of cars and trucks. They are very noisy. I love the country more. The life is good for me in the country. The underlying quiet means what? Means not noisy, not clean, not cold or bus. It will be quiet means not noisy. Let's go to another one. The space covers the sky and the city. The smoke. Let's go to another question here. The country is good place to live it. Why? Why here? As we know here from the text, good place. Why is good place here? Why? Good for, because there isn't noise, because it's quiet, because it's quiet, because it's quiet, because what? Because it's quiet. As I say it, I write it here, because it's quiet, as we know from the text. Let's go to another question here. What makes noise in the city? Cars, as we know here from the text cars. I think so. We here know here what makes noise in the city makes noise what cars and trucks. So the noise in the city comes from what? Comes from the noise in the city. Noise in the city makes from what? From cars. Sorry, what makes noise? Oh, sorry, what makes noise in the city? Makes what? Makes what makes noise in the city? The noise makes in the city by cars and trucks. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have in the past. So when we have here in the past, so we must know that tense it will be in what? In the past. Let's read it together. There space no cell phone in the past. So it will be there. It will be I will omit R or I correct R by where here. Last month I would like to pay attention. My date and my present. So here it will be gave. If we keep the irregular verbs, you answer this question easily. Yesterday, my grandpa didn't space he found. So I return the verb to the esteem form. It will be find. In the past, our town what? Our town had a nice park. Let's go to another one here. Here we have among to it. What can I do it? I underline this. Sorry, I underline the letters that I corrected. As we know here, why? So I replaced capital by small, small by capital, and I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And I would like to pay attention if you have famous places, names, and so on. And the pronoun I would like to say that pronoun I comes in any place in the sentence must be written in capital letter also. Okay. Must know this. Let's go to another item here. Okay. Here I will revise Unit 8. Today I will revise Unit 7, Unit 8, and Unit 9. Okay. Next class I will continue. Okay. Because I don't want to make the video longer. Here we have in this unit we talk about we had fun. Let's go to here we talk about what about quantifiers. Talk about quantifiers means a pocket, a pair of, a carton, a bottle of, a slice, a piece. In this part, we talk about this idioms. Okay. Here we have uncountable nouns are usually singular. This is the things that I would like to know that uncountable nouns treated as singular, right? What like juice, like chocolate, like cheese, like water. We say water is, milk is, juice is, cheese is. Why? Because this is uncountable and rated as singular. Okay, when you quantify a carton of, it turns into countable. Here we say 2 cartons of juice. So here we have plural. Okay, 2 cartons, because I talk about 2 cartons, not I talk about just juice. Okay, let's go to another item here in this unit. In this unit, we talk about trip, we talk about beach, frozen yogurt, we have meal, dessert, and octopus. Let's go to another one here. Here we have irregular verbs. Irregular, but here is we have regular verbs that we must know it. Here we have, I give you some of them and I leave the rest to keep it by yourself. Here we have, we replace am is in the past by was, are by where, buy by boat, catch by caught, come by came, drink by drank, eat by ate, wear by wore, swim by swam, and so on. Okay. You can keep it before you answer the questions. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have this part to talk about social science, about festivals, about important festivals in our the traditional festivals that we celebrated, like Eid al-Fitr. Muslim here is called Muslim festival, celebration, fast. We are fast. That we are fasting now because we are in Ramadan and we are fasting to the until the sunset. Okay. Mosque, Shawwal, Here we talk about great grandma, cousin, Christmas tree, picnic, special, big and small, huge, and so on. This is the things. This is the words that. This is the vocab that related to this unit that we took it in this unit. So here this is the listening, but I try to answer by understanding during the lesson. It is a time celebration for being sad, for being angry, for being happy. No, for being happy. All of us celebrate by Eid, and we celebrate and we have balloons and go with my go to relatives and visit relatives and friends and so on. So it's the atmosphere of being happy, not being sad. People go to the place and spend with their families, goes to the music, to the mosque, go to the musical, mosque, go to the mosque. They eat delicious space like kahk to celebrate. They eat delicious cookies, as we know during the lesson. Kahk have space, sugar, and honey in them. Have nuts, sugar, and honey in them. Let's go to another item here. Here we have Shammin Yasim is the start of spring. Ancient Egyptian space celebrated. Ancient Egyptian here celebrated. Okay. Celebrated. Shammin Yasim, thousands of years ago. We eat salted fish and dye eggs in different colors. We go to the park and with our families to have a big picnic here. Let's go to another question. Here we had a huge space in the park with our families. A huge what? A huge picnic of clever pupils. My mother used milk and fruit to make frozen yogurt. Excellent. We can buy cookies and cakes from the bakery. Excellent. We always have different space after lunch, like fruit and juice. Desserts. Excellent. Breakfast very important meal. Why? Because we want to have a breakfast. You can you can't be tired and you can't be concentrate in your work or your study and so on. So the breakfast is very important for us before we go into our work or our school and so on. Let's go to another item here. Here we have a text and question below it. Let's answer the question below this text. Our neighbor Amir got married last week. Mom and dad went to the party. The party was at a big hotel. Mom and dad walked into the hotel. They saw tables with nice cakes, fruits, salads, and glasses of juice. In the corner of the room, there were presents for Amir and his wife. Big boxes and little boxes. Everyone at the party was very kind and friendly. They sat at table and talked to talk to people. They listen to music. Here we have a space is a person who lives next door in the same building. It will be what? Neighbor. So I select this one, neighbor, this one. The party was a space, noisy, kind, nice, big. Let's know it here from this. Talk about the party. It will be what? It will be here. Kind, to be here kind, as you know here. It's kind and friendly. So everyone at the party would be kind. The party here was what? Was the party here, it will be, I think nice. Was nice. Think nice, not kind. Because kind here refers to what? To refer to person. So the party, it will be nice. Let's go to another one here. How were the people in the party? The people in the party was very kind and friendly. What were there in the corner of the room? What were in the corner of the room? What we have in the corner of the room? There are present for Amir and his wife. For Amir and his wife, big boxes and little boxes. Let's answer this question. Here we have yesterday. Yesterday means I talk about the past. So it will be here what? It will be he caught. I wrote. Are clever pupils. I will buy a space of the juice, a carton. It will be not cartons. Why? Because here I have a, so it must be singular, not plural. Okay, it must be singular. Okay, and here we have a slice, not on, a slice of. It will be slice of. Let's go to another item here. Here we have, let's answer this question. Here we have punctuate people written in capital small letter. I will write it in capital letter. People is separated in the front, and I put at the end of full stop. Okay. Let's go to another to the last unit here in this video, and next class I will continue. We are going to revise unit 9 together. What makes us special? Let's go to here. We talk about the party games. In this unit, we talk about the party games, traditional party games like hide and seek, winner, musical chairs. I think all of us played this game before. Buzz the parcel, seeker, wrap and unwrap, wrap and unwrap. Okay, let's go to another item here in this lesson. Here is festival around the world. We talk about the festival around the world, and we know the different festivals that in many countries. Here we have cheese, kite, and dragon, alive, monster, rolling, messy. Messy is the opposite of what? Grade 4. I would like to remember me. Tidy, are clever pupils. Are clever pupils. Here we have envelope. Here we have envelope. I have heel. Okay, this is the words that know it here is this part. Let's go to another one. Lesson 3, we talk about here we talk about citizenship. Like here we have olive oil, shrimp, garlic, semolina, Egyptian food. We talk here about to have some definitions that we know together. Let's know it together. Here we have special means having something different, or having something different, or that body or that nobody else has. Hospitable means friendly and welcoming to guests and visitors. Serve to provide food or drinks. Authors, people who write movies and stories. Region, part of the country. Here we have the corner here, structure corner, that we know the suffix, and we know the suffix means the end of the word, like this: care, careful, pain, painful, help, helpful, and so on. Wonderful, useful. This called suffix. The prefix is the beginning of the word, like we say legal, illegal, like we say happy, unhappy. So this called prefix, but this called suffix, the end of the word, like this: careful, painful, helpful, wonderful, useful, and so on. I hurt my hand. It's painful. My kite is colorful. Here we have beauty and beautiful. Okay. This is the last part in unit 9, which is writing a project. Here is we call invitation. When I invite someone to my party or my wedding or my any celebration, so this is called invitation. Okay. Information, ghost. Here is ghost, missing, address, and so on. Let's answer the question below this, related to this unit. The sports day in the school is in what? In library, in yard, in laboratory, in classroom. As we say, by thinking here, without I don't have a text, but by thinking and making your mind. Sports day, it will be in library, wrong. It will be in laboratory, wrong. It will be in classroom, wrong. It will be in what? In yard. Okay. It's on. I think some of schools made here is Friday, Tuesday, Monday. I don't know because I don't have a text. So this question I can't answer it because I don't know. We wear t-shirts and what and bands here. We eat lots of space, lots of cookies. I think not cakes, cookies, lots of cookies. Let's go to another one here. Here we have many people think that Egypt is the only is only a desert. It's true. 90% of Egypt is what is desert. Yes, is real. It is real that 90% of Egypt is desert. It's not lie. It's correct. Near the Nile, it's space and beautiful. It's near the Nile. It's green and beautiful. Green and beautiful. Green and beautiful. There are mountains in the space in what in there are mountains in south south and east. It even space in Sinai region. It even snows. It even snows. In south and east, it would be mountain. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the space. My sister's birthday last week. We here what we celebrated, not we eat, or not we ate, or drank, or read. It will be celebrated. The girl was delighted when she spaced the present and saw the gold ring. The girl was delighted when she unwrapped the present and saw the gold ring. In hide and seek game, the seeker tries to space the other players to heroes to find. Okay, to find. The space brought nice present with them in the birthday. The space brought nice present, not robots, not seekers, not games. It will be the ghosts. The ghosts brought nice present with them in brought nice present with them in the birthday party. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to another one here. Here we have nature in Egypt is very wonderful. Many people think that Egypt is only a desert. It's true that 90% of Egypt is desert, but we also have green lands near the Nile, and it's green and beautiful. There are mountains in south and east. It even snows in Sinai region. So here we have the space part of Egypt is desert. Which one? Here is. It will be a big part of because it will be what it will be 90%, so it will be big. So I select this one. We have green areas in Egypt because of what of the Nile. Green areas in because of what because of Nile. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have summarized the text in one sentence. Here is what I say, nature in Egypt. I can summarize this the sentence by what? By nature in Egypt. Nature of Egypt. Nature of Egypt. Would be nature of Egypt. Would be nature of Egypt. Nature of Egypt. Okay. If we have anything, any sentence we would like to write it, can write it. Okay. What happens in Sinai region? It snows, as we know here in this text. Snows in Sinai region. It will be here snows. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Let's answer this question. Here it will be that space yesterday. Here we have yesterday. So the verb, it will be in the past. It will be read. Read, written as it is. Okay. Written as it is. Here we have read, but written as read. Okay. Butterflies are what? Are colorful. It will be here colorful. I will write this word and adding colorful for it. Here we have I was late, so I spaced to school. So here I ran to school. Mr. Ayman is a space teacher. Is a helpful. Will be here helpful teacher. Is a helpful teacher. Now I hope to all the teachers be helpful. Okay, be helpful. Okay, we hope so. Here we have I replaced I by a small letter by capital letter. As we know before, as we told you before, that the pronoun I is the only pronoun that comes in any space of in any place of the sentence must be written in capital letter. Okay. Here we have Saturday is the name of day, so it will be written in capital letter. Okay. Today we finished from revising the 3 units in your book, Connect. Next class, I will continue the rest and the story. The next class, I will continue the unit 10 and the story. I hope to benefit from this video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.